Can she breathe?
Can she breathe? Let's worry about it now. She gets sugar.
Georgia, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Huh? Oh, yeah.
That needs to be on America's Funniest Home Videos.
Here you go. Oh, yeah. That's good, isn't it?
We need one more. Yes. No.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Where did that come from? Oh, you're cheating. You're getting that one. You gotta have one of both.
I don't know why she thinks she has to plant her face in it.
Yeah,
That's
look
good.
at you. It's blowing out of her nose. I'm not cleaning her. Go put my bag.
She don't even put her hands in it. She just puts her face
Puts her face down.
That's good, isn't it?
When you get this kind of cake for her birthday?
And Audrey's making cupcakes for her birthday.
I forgot. Or this kind of cupcake.
What kind of cupcakes are you making?
Pink.
Pink. I like pink strawberry.
I don't know.
Georgia,
White with...
what are you doing?
I'm making half.
Is that good?
chocolate. But the icing is chocolate vanilla.
Oh, that's good. Oh, it's gonna be.
Overachiever. Whatever.
She is.
H-E-B makes good cakes.
Hey, you should see her read for the front door.
Oh,
Yeah,
Georgia,
Kelly. You should see her read for the front door. It's
Georgia.
all pink and white balloons.
Oh,
Bless you.
Pink and white balloons. And then she put the little cupcake in the middle of it.
Debbie, I'll cut you a new one. No, you have to balance. You gotta eat with the rest of hers.
Well, I don't think there's going to be anything left.
It might not be.
Okay, yeah, baby girl, I think that's enough sugar for you.